In this video, we'll explore the top 3 kitchen products that wowed the sharks and found their way into homes everywhere. From clever cleaning tools to smart cooking helpers, these inventions have changed how we cook and clean. Number 3, Frywall. Laura had a smart idea to fix a messy problem, getting rid of used cooking oil. She took her product, Frywall, to Shark Tank, asking for $250,000 in exchange for 10% of her company. Her invention? A special plant-based powder that turns hot oil into a solid, making it easy and safe to throw away. Dealing with used cooking oil can be a nightmare. Pouring it down the drain can clog pipes, leading to expensive repairs. Tossing it the wrong way can harm the environment, but Frywall makes cleanup simple. Just mix in the powder, let it cool, and throw it out with regular trash. The sharks were impressed, especially with Laura's business model. She keeps costs low and sells Frywall for 10 times the production costs. After some tough back and forth, Greiner and Mark Cuban decided to team up, offering $250,000 for 22% of the company. Even though the deal with Lori and Mark didn't go through, appearing on Shark Tank gave Frywall a huge boost. Sales skyrocketed, and customers on Amazon love how easy and eco-friendly it is. Despite competition, Frywall is still in business. Number 2, Handy Pan. In season 13 of Shark Tank, friends Adam Chaudhry and Josh Conway introduced the Handy Pan, a frying pan that also works as a strainer. They asked the sharks for $10,000 in exchange for 20% of their company. The Handy Pan lets users drain liquids easily by pressing a button, which raises a built-in strainer. The sharks were surprised by the small investment request and questioned the low sales, which were about $7,950, with each pan selling for $29.99. Despite this, Greiner saw potential and offered the $10,000 for 20% equity, a deal the inventors happily accepted. After the episode aired, the Handy Pan quickly sold out on their website, showing strong interest from viewers. The pan is still available for purchase, now priced at $49.99. However, updates on the business have been rare, and Adam and Josh continue their regular jobs while running the company on the side. Despite the challenges, Handy Pan remains in business. Number 1, Frywall. In 2018, Greiner appeared on Shark Tank to present his invention, Frywall, a silicone guard that prevents hot oil from splattering out of frying pans. He asked for $100,000 in exchange for 10% of his company. Frywall is heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe, and easy to store. Unlike traditional splatter screens, it allows users to stir and flip food without removing the guard. The sharks were impressed by the product and its potential. Greiner offered Reiner the $100,000 for 10% equity, along with a line of credit to fund purchase orders. She even presented her golden ticket, a rare gesture indicating her strong belief in the product. Reiner accepted her deal. After the episode aired, Frywall experienced a significant boost in sales. The product is now available in multiple sizes and colors. As of 2024, Frywall has achieved lifetime revenues of $9.5 million and is available in Walmart stores.